So if I had to fire two people between the options given, I would probably pick Sandra and Amy. Um, I really wouldn't want to pick Sandra because of her family situation and her age. I know that, the older you get, the harder it can be to find a job. Um, she also worked there for 8 years, but her job skill is poor and her pay rate is one of the higher pay rates. Um, so firing her would cut costs down a lot. Um, and then for Amy, since she's only worked there a year and her job skill is average, and her pay rate pay rate's the lowest, but um, she's not as valuable because she's only worked there for a year and her job skill is average.